Having a hard time quieting your mind during meditation? Stay tuned and watch this video for my foolproof tips and tricks on how to meditate for beginners. Meditation is to active quieting your mind to connect with your soul for the best self-care tips and tricks for total wellness. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video every Sunday. If you're the person that finds your schedule to be too busy to take 15 minutes out of your day just to spend some time with yourself, or if you've tried meditation in the past and you just couldn't stop your mind from thinking, this video is for you. In this video, I'll give you some foolproof tips and tricks on meditating and making it a part of your everyday routine. We all know that getting enough sleep is extremely important for our physical and mental health. But sometimes falling asleep is a real problem. Meditation can help find that sweet spot that your body needs. There are different types of meditation to achieve sleep, and studies show all of them to be effective. There are many meditation techniques that help you fall asleep. Pick one or take them all and find the method that's right for you. Method 1 of 3. Fall asleep with guided meditation. 1. Learn about guided meditation. It consists of listening to an audio tape in which a person gives you the instructions to follow. It is a great introduction to meditation for those who have never practiced it before and do not know how to do it. 2. Find yourself a guided meditation soundtrack to fall asleep. You will find many to download for free on the internet, podcast, or YouTube. You can also purchase a guided meditation CD in a store or online. Look for a guided meditation CD that collects favorable reviews or comes from a reputable source, like Health Passport, where you can pick up several meditation files that will help you fall asleep. If you download a free file, listen to it once before going to bed to make sure everything is intact from start to finish, with no commercial breaks. 3. Prepare your audio equipment. Prepare to go to sleep and set up the audio equipment by the bed. Adjust the volume to avoid unpleasant surprises. Also, be sure to set the equipment to sleep mode so that it automatically shuts off when the disc ends. Avoid using headphones to do your guided meditation, as you will likely fall asleep before you finish, and you don't want to get tangled in wires in the middle of the night. 4. When ready, press play. Put on your pajamas, turn off the lights, and lie down comfortably in your bed before you turn on the record. Relax, listen, and get ready for a restful night's sleep. If you are not asleep after the meditation, take a few deep breaths and start again. Method 2 of 3. Fall asleep thanks to progressive muscle relaxation. 1. Try deep muscle relaxation. It is a meditation technique in which you systematically stretch and relax different groups of muscles to promote body awareness and a general state of relaxation. Progressive muscle relaxation can be used day and night, but it particularly promotes the onset of sleep. This meditation technique lasts between 10 to 15 minutes. 2. Put your at ease. Put on your pajamas and slip into bed. Turn off the light, lie down, and set up your pillows and blankets to be as comfortable as possible. 3. Close your eyes and relax. Take a deep breath and clear your mind. Concentrate on your body and let it relax. 4. Tense and relax your muscles. Start at the top of the head and work your way down gradually in the order described. Tense and relax just enough to feel the tension painlessly. After 5 seconds of tight muscles, release them. Some people find it helpful to think or say the word relaxation at this precise moment. After 10 seconds of relaxation, move on to the next muscle group and so on. Forehead. Furrow your forehead or eyebrows as if you are surprised. Then release. Eyes and nose. Close your eyes gently and then release. The mouth, cheeks, and jaw. Spread your mouth as if to yawn or make a face. Then release. Hands. Clench your fists, then relax and release. Wrists and forearms. Hold your hands in the air as if you are pushing an invisible wall. Then release. Upper arms. Straighten your biceps. Then relax. Shoulders. Raise your shoulders towards your ears. Then release. The back. Arch your back gently. Then release. The stomach. Squeeze your stomach as if you are sucking it in from the inside. Then release. Hips and buttocks. Stretch them. Then release. Thighs. Tense the muscles in your thighs above the knees. Then relax. Ankles and feet. Straighten your feet. Straighten your toes as much as you can. Then release. Toes. Wrap them as tight as possible. Then release. 5. Go back to each muscle that is still tense. Repeat the tension and release 3 to 4 times on each muscle that you feel tight. 6. Enjoy the feeling of relaxation and let yourself go to sleep. If you still feel tense or are not quite asleep, repeat the steps again, working from the top of your head to your toes. Method 3 of 3. Using mindfulness to fall asleep. 1. Practice mindfulness meditation. With this technique, you will pay particular attention to your sensations in order to relax body and mind. You should not judge or analyze the thoughts and sensations that invade your mind while you are practicing mindfulness meditation. Write them down and forget about them. The physical sensations you feel should be at the heart of your concentration at time t, while you are lying in bed. 2. Lie down and make yourself comfortable. Get ready to go to bed. Turn off the lights and get ready to sleep. 3. Breathe. Begin your meditation with 5 long breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Concentrate on the sensation of breathing as your chest lifts open and fills your lungs with air. As you breathe out, imagine that all the events and thoughts of the day are evacuated with the air. 4. Listen to your feelings. Take a moment to listen to what your body and mind are feeling. Take your time during this step and don't worry about the thoughts flowing in. Just watch them and let them leave you. Now is not the time to solve problems. If you feel preoccupied with something, watch and move on. You will solve the problem the next day, once you are completely rested. 5. Concentrate on the physical parts of your body. Feel the contact points of your body with the bed. Is your weight well distributed? How does your head rest on the pillow and how does the blanket spread over your feet? Listen carefully to all the sounds you can hear, including your breathing. Become aware of the temperature in the room and the way the air moves over your face. 6. Feel your body. Does it feel heavy or light? Do you feel any tension or pain? Mentally scan your body from head to toe, passing through areas of tension. Intentionally stretch and release them. If you are practicing progressive muscle relaxation meditation, repeat this process several times, as needed, to relax tight muscles. 7. Focus on your breathing again. Pay attention to your rhythm as you inhale and exhale. Pay attention to the physical sensation of the breath and the sound it makes. If your mind starts to wander, focus on your chest again as it rises and falls. 8. Relive the events of the day. Take a few minutes and replay the movie of your day, from waking up to the present moment. Play it fast. Observe and relive the conversations and what you did, but don't analyze or think more than necessary. 9. Refocus on your body. Once the movie of the day ends as you're lying in bed, come back to how your body feels and how you breathe. 10. Put your body to sleep. Start with the toes of your left foot. Think about each part of your body at that time and allow it to go out or go to sleep. Start from the foot. Work your way up to the leg, your waist. Then do the right side. Continue with the torso, each arm, starting with the fingers and work your way up to your shoulders and neck. Finish with the throat, face, head. 11. Enjoy the sensation provided and let yourself fall asleep. Your body is at rest. The mind will follow. Let your thoughts wander, knowing that you will wake up feeling refreshed and relaxed. Many fall asleep long before this last stage. If this is not the case for you, rest assured. Remember that your body wants to sleep as much as you do, and it will. Relax and don't force anything. Advice: when using meditation to fall asleep, it is important not to focus on falling asleep at all costs, but rather on the process of the meditation itself. Sleep generally follows closely. Focusing only on sleep distracts you from meditation and, incidentally, can prevent you from falling asleep. If meditation alone doesn't work, consider changing the environment in which you sleep. A dark, quiet room with a good temperature is ideal for sleeping well. If your phone's charger light is keeping you awake, cover it with a piece of tape. If your meditation is disturbed by a noisy environment, consider downloading a white noise that you can play near your bed. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Take care.